5 strategies to boost your income. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's minds: how to boost your income. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, trying to pay off debt, or just want to live more comfortably, these strategies are for you. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the power of upskilling. In today's fast-paced world, learning new skills is not just beneficial, it's essential. Take advantage of online courses, workshops, or certifications related to your field. Not only does this make you more valuable to employers, but it also opens up opportunities for higher-paying positions. Next, let's talk about passive income streams. While it may require some upfront effort, the rewards can be significant. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or starting a side hustle like selling digital products or affiliate marketing. These streams can generate income while you sleep, giving you more financial stability. Post. Another effective strategy is to negotiate your salary or rates. Many people are hesitant to negotiate, but it can make a substantial difference in your income. Research the market value for your position, gather evidence of your achievements, and confidently make your case. Remember, the worst they can say is no, but often, employers are willing to pay more for top talent. Now, let's talk about budgeting and cutting expenses. While increasing your income is essential, so is managing what you already have. Take a close look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. This could be anything from dining out less frequently to renegotiating your monthly bills. Every dollar you save is a dollar closer to your financial goals. Last but not least, don't underestimate the power of networking. Building strong relationships with others in your industry can lead to valuable opportunities. Attend networking events, connect with professionals on LinkedIn, and don't be afraid to reach out for informational interviews. You never know when a casual conversation could turn into a lucrative job offer or partnership. And there you have it, 5 strategies to boost your income. Remember, improving your financial situation takes time and effort, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.